Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter 5, presentation software, special effects. And our today's topic is specifying line spacing, and the second one is rearranging slides in slide sorter view. So today we will cover these two topics. Firstly, we are talking about very first topic, that is specifying line spacing. Means if we want to provide the space between the lines or the paragraph, so MS Word provide the facility to do it so that we can easily read our data in our presentation. So that will be very easy for you to read that topic, to read that content. So let's start it. So now I am opening the PowerPoint. I am starting the PowerPoint here. You can write in the search box PowerPoint, or you can click on the start button, then Microsoft Office, and then click on the PowerPoint. So now I am taking one template, as I have already explained in the previous video, how to insert it. So I have taken one template here and then click on create. So for example, if I want to provide line spacing in this second slide, so just click on that slide. After that, click on the box where you want to provide the line spacing. With the keyboard, all you know, by pressing the enter key, we can increase or decrease the space. But we can do it by using the tab also. So how we will do it? Firstly, we will go to the home tab. You can see here, I'm showing to you where it is. Firstly, we will click on the home tab, and under the home tab, you can see one group is here, paragraph group. And in this one, you will click on this arrow to open paragraph dialog box. When we will click on this arrow, this one arrow, then one dialog box will appear, and the name of the dialog box is paragraph dialog box. So I am clicking on it, this arrow. When we will click on this arrow, you can see here paragraph dialog box is here. Today we will do this one. We are doing this one, spacing. So today's concept is spacing. How we can increase or decrease this space. So you can see here before after. Before after means before the line or before the paragraph, how much points you want to give for the spacing, and same like that after the line or paragraph, PT means point, we can provide the point. And the next one is line spacing. This one is line spacing. You can see here. In this one also we can provide it like, firstly I'm telling you before and after. If I don't want to provide the space between these lines, these three lines, so I'm just giving here 0 value. With this arrow buttons, we can increase or decrease. Up arrow for increasing and down arrow for decreasing. Or we can directly write it here and then click on OK. You can see here now there is no line spacing. If I want to increase the line spacing, click on the paragraph, and then here we can increase it before value, and here we can give the after value, after the line, how much space I want. So just click on OK, and then you can see here. So like that we can provide the space. If we don't want, we can write it here 0, and here also I can provide the 0. So then you can see here, now there is no line spacing. And same like that you can see here line spacing. There you can see 5 options are here. Single line spacing. If you want single line spacing, then you will just click on single and then OK. A single line spacing you can see here. In between the lines, these lines, one line spacing is there. So if I will click on double line spacing, so means 2 line spacing will come. Click on OK. So all of you can see here. And same like that, exactly how much point you want to give. So you can give here the exact point and then click on OK. And the last one is multiple. So you can give the here multiple, you can take the 3 line spacing, 5, 6, up to you. Just click on OK. Then you can see here. And you have seen font size also decreased because autofill feature of MS PowerPoint automatically changes the line spacing and font size of the text. For example, I will give many points here in this one. See. So 9.999 means I want to give more line spacing, but it will not go outside this textbooks. Automatically you can see the text size, font size has been decreased. You can see here. So it automatically adjusts it because the autofit feature will automatically change the line spacing. So this is our line spacing concept. For doing it, firstly we will go to the home tab and under the paragraph, click on the arrow to open paragraph dialog box. So here, from here we can provide the spacing. So from here also we can provide the spacing. It's up to you. And our next topic is rearranging slides in slide sorter view. Firstly, we will talk about the view. View means dekhna, how we want to view our presentation. In MS Word, the default view is print layout view. Means how we want to take the printout, that view will be the default view. But in PowerPoint, the default view is normal view. Default view is normal view. In the normal view, you can see here when I will click on one slide, then here you can see only one slide at a time. You can see only one slide at a time. If you want to do modification in the different slide, so firstly we have to go to that slide, particular slide, then we will do some changes. Slide sorter view. One view is slide sorter view. As the name indicates, slide sorter means it will sort our slide. So slide sorter view basically shows the overall view of the presentation. In a sequence, we can see the slides numbering will be there. So for this, firstly we will click on the view tab. Where we will click? Firstly we will click on view tab. The last one tab is view tab. When we will click on view tab, you can see here many ribbons are here. Under the presentation views, we can see here the default is the normal view that is highlighted here. If I want to change the view, we can click on slide sorter if I want to take this view slide sorter. So I have clicked on slide sorter view. So you have seen here now my slides are in sequence. See, this one is first slide, second, third, like that. If I want to rearrange it, if I want to move one slide at another place, so how we can do it? Firstly, select that slide. For example, I want to move this first slide as a fifth one slide. So what I will do? Firstly, I will select this slide and then I will click click on it with the mouse left click, and then just press the mouse left click and drag, and wherever you want to drop it, just drop it. After fourth I want it. Don't release the mouse left click. When your location will decide, then only just release your mouse left click. So you can see here first, second, third one and fourth one. So wherever you want to place it, if you want to make it fifth one, just press the mouse left click. You will not release the mouse click. When you will decide where you want to place it, then only you will release the mouse left click. So like that, if I want to make this one as a first slide, so just select it, press the mouse left click, don't release it, and when you placed it, then only just release the mouse left click. And same like that, if you want to move many slides together, so what you will do? Firstly, you have to select those slides simultaneously, and for the simultaneously, just select one slide, and then you can see, just press the shift, or you can use the control, and then press the mouse left click. Now two slides are moving. Where you want to move, just move it. You can see here. Now this one is at the 11th and 12th slide. So like that, we can just select it, and then with the shift, if the slides are in sequence, then we can use the shift. And if the slides are at another place like this one, and I want to select this one, so what I will do? Firstly, I will select this one, and then in place of shift, I select the control. In place of shift, I use the control key. I use the control key. If slides are in sequence, then we can use the shift key. And if slides are at different place, we can use the control key. So now these two slides are together, selected. Now just press the mouse left click, and wherever you want to place it, at the starting if I want to place it, you can see here. Now both slides have been moved now. So this is our next topic, rearranging slides in slide sorter view. And the default view is normal view. Again, if we want to go to the normal view, click on the normal. You can see here now also it has been changed. The position has been changed.